everyone to our tutorial series. Today, let's learn how to apply dependent sample t-test. So, we are using dependent sample t-test when we want to compare the sample means from two related groups. This indicates that the score for both groups being compared came from the same people. For example, you might have measured the performance of 10 participants in a spelling test before and after they underwent a new form of computerized teaching method to improve their spelling. So to fully understand what it is when we say dependent sample t-test, let's run an example using our Excel. So here, we have a research question and research sample which says that the researcher wants to compare the college student exam mean scores in a statistic to see whether there is an improvement before and after the implementation of 30 minutes review before taking an exam. While the research question here is that is there significant difference between the college mean scores before and after the intervention? So here we have a pre-test and a post-test from the same respondents. What we're gonna do is to go to data and then data analysis. After that, find the t-test paired to sample per means. Then input the variable which is pre-test. Then to the other one which is the post-test. Then select output range. So let's put it here in each column, then press enter. So with the result, we get the means of pre-test and post-test. Then since our t-stat is negative 5.37, 34 rather, our t-critical which is two-tailed can be positive or negative. Then now, let's get the standard deviation of two samples. So in order to get the standard deviations in this cell, enter equal, then type stdeb.p. After that, double click this function, then select the pretest, and then press enter. So just do the same process for the post test. And we are good to go. So now, to interpret our data, our results from the pretest mean and the standard deviation is 10.26 and 2.74 respectively. While for the post-test mean is 12.86 and the standard deviation is 3.34. So, this difference is significant because the null hypothesis is rejected since our t-stat is equal to negative 5.34 and the p-value is less than 0.05. So, the result shows that there is improvement in 30 minutes in a review before undertaking the exam of the college students. So that's how we're going to use dependent sample t-test in our research. So I hope you guys learned something and that's all for now. See you in our next video tutorial. God bless everyone.